This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Turn the badge on the grille to access the lock cylinder for the bonnet. Using the key, release the bonnet latch. Raise the bonnet upwards and support it with a prop rod. Undo the headlight upper retaining bolt. Depress the retaining clips on the rear of the headlight and pull the unit from place. Disconnect the wiring plug from the rear of the headlight as it's withdrawn. Release the retaining clips and remove the plastic cover from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb. Then release the retaining clip and remove the bulb. Fit the new bulb, then attach the retaining clip and connect the wiring plug. Fit the plastic cover. Connect the wiring plug, then fit the headlight housing in place. Tighten the retaining bolt securely.